What's going on, guys? John Elder here from Codemy.com, and I am back. It's been a minute, man. It's been what, a year and a half since I posted regularly here on the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about where I've been, what I've been working on, and what you can expect from the channel moving forward. Got a lot of exciting stuff going on here. I can't wait to share it all with you, and it should be a lot of fun. So first off, where have I been? What has been going on? Where did I go to? What did I disappear? There's basically two answers to that question. First, I was working on all sorts of cool side projects. A lot of AI stuff. I built several new companies, had a lot of fun last year and a half or so, but mostly I kind of took a step back from YouTube because I was coming to grips with the new world of coding and AI. What does it mean? Is coding even still a thing? Do we need to learn to code? And if so, what do we need to learn? AI will do so much of it for us now. What does it mean to be a coder anymore? So it's taken a little while for me to sort of figure all of this stuff out. And I've still been releasing courses at Codemy.com, a lot of new AI related courses. There's like a Claude coding course over there and a couple other AI type courses. I haven't been talking about it here on YouTube, but just quietly releasing them to the Codemy.com community. But it's really kind of taken a minute to wrap my brain around, is coding even still a thing? Do we need to learn Python anymore? Do we need to learn Django? Won't AI just do it all for us? That's what everyone else seems to say. Right? If you go online anywhere, everyone's like, oh, coding's dead. AI is just going to do it all. Where does that leave us? So I finally have figured it all out. I've got an understanding from using all of these tools the last year, building projects, building companies, building side things, playing with all the tools, learning them inside and out. And I think I have an answer now. And the answer is kind of nuanced, right? Yes, there will always be coders, at least for the next 5 to 10 years. Eventually, maybe we'll get replaced. But in the next 5 to 10 years, there's going to be so much opportunity for coders. You can make millions of dollars in 5 years, and then maybe coding goes away. Is that bad? No, not necessarily if you made millions of dollars in the last 5 years. Maybe it doesn't go away. We'll have to see. But in the meantime, my current sort of state of the coding world is that yes, you need coding, but more so you need engineering and architecture skills. So the coding tools out there, the AI tools, your Claude codes, your Lovables, your Bolts, all these types of things, OpenClaw, everything like that, they will do some things for you, but not most things, right? So you can get AI to write code for you. And yeah, sometimes it's really, really bad code. Most of the time, it's really, really bad code. If you're good at this, if you use some skills that I've developed over the last year, you can get these tools to spit out some pretty good code most of the time. But then what, right? What do you do with it? AI is terrible at integrating lots of code together. AI is terrible at creating large systems and big projects. It'll create a little snippet of code for you, no problem. Even lots of snippets of code. But you still need to know what to do with all that stuff. How do you get those things into a product? How do you get them into a website that's up online? How do you build them into an app that's on the App Store, right? AI is not going to do any of that for you. Is AI going to maintain your code once it's online? No, it's not. Is it going to secure it and harden it? No, it's not. Is it going to update it in the future? No, it's not. What happens if you build a really cool tool using AI, and then a year and a half from now, you want to add 3 new features, and the tool that you use no longer exists? Because these AI tools come and go all the time. Even the ones that are sticking around are indistinguishable from their first versions, right? They're completely different tools than they were 3 months ago, 6 months ago. You might have to relearn them all over again. They may not do what the old one used to do that built your software, right? So there's all sorts of challenges, and it all points to the same thing. You need to understand engineering and architecture, how to take all of the pieces from all the different things, all the different frameworks, and put them all together. How to understand that this goes with this and that works with this, and you should use this framework for this sort of thing and that framework for that sort of thing. AI is not going to tell you that. Even if you ask it, it'll just, you know how AI is, it just tells you what you want to hear almost always, right? Unless you kick it a few times and really, put the thumb screws on. But that's all to say that there is a huge and growing demand for developers who have AI skill sets as well. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this channel moving forward. We're going to be looking at all of the tools that are out there, all of the new ones that are coming every week or 2 or 3. there's a new tool, there's a new AI thing to help us as coders. It can become absolutely overwhelming unless you have some sort of guidepost. And that's what I hope this channel is going to become. I'm also going to be building a huge community of you. And it's going to be completely free, probably over at johnelder.ai, or maybe we'll stick it at codemy.com. Haven't decided yet, but it's going to be completely free for everybody to join, where we can talk about stuff very openly. I'll be having free Zoom calls. So you can call in and we're going to talk about things, and you can ask questions and I'll answer them live on Zoom for free. And that's going to be just available to everybody in the community. So we'll probably do those weekly or so. We'll have to see moving forward what the schedule is exactly. And as far as schedule, you can expect at least, say, 1 to 3 videos a week here on the channel for the next few weeks while we kick off the cobwebs and figure out again how to do YouTube, because it's been a while. It's been like a year, right? So we're going to be a little sketchy here for a second, but then we'll get back into our daily, 4 to 5 videos a week that we always used to do in the past, and it should be a lot of fun. So I am very excited moving forward. It was kind of an existential crisis, right? Is coding even a thing? Why should we even have this channel anymore? We don't need to do the things I've always taught because AI does it all for us. But as I dove deeper and deeper into this, learned more and more of these tools, talked to more and more people, it became very, very obvious that there is always going to be coders, because you need somebody to interact with all of these tools, right? Things that used to take a team of developers months, you can do as one person over a weekend now if you know what you're doing. So in that sense, it's never been better to be a coder, right? It's never been better to be a developer. If you want to go work at Google, it's never been worse because they're firing developers left and right. They don't need as many for that exact same reason. So it just sort of depends on what your outlook is, right? If you are a solo entrepreneur or just a guy or a girl in her room that wants to build cool things, the world is your oyster right now. If you want to become vice president of development at Google, no, not so much. You're not going to do that anymore, right? So I don't know. That's the sort of thing we're going to focus on in this channel moving forward. I hope you stick around. It should be a lot of fun. We're also going to be releasing a lot of shorts, short videos, because there's all sorts of tips and tricks that I have that I've been developing over the last year that I'm very anxious to teach you guys. I can bang them out in just a couple of minutes. So those are kind of going to be geared towards shorts, and we're going to have the normal long form videos here on YouTube that we used to always have, just slightly a little bit different in format, just because of the nature of how these AI tools work. But should be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you are too. Leave a comment below. Let me know what sort of thing you're interested in learning, and I'll probably cover it, because these things are changing. Everything is so fluid right now, right? Everything is sort of up in arms, and the things that worked last week don't work this week. These tools update and change so fast. It's a really exciting time to be alive, but it takes a village now. There's just so much to learn so quickly. I don't know. It's very exciting. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Excited to be back. Hopefully you guys are too. And yeah, let's see what we can build.